Nature. The unobtrusive influences of earth, sea, and sky do their work. They pass imperceptibly and unsought into the soul. Outdoor sights sweep gradual gospels in, bid me work, but may no tie keep me from the open sky. Barnes. The Making of Character, Professor MacCunn. The cheerfulness of heart which springs up in us from the survey of nature's works is an admirable preparation for gratitude. The mind has gone a great way towards praise and thanksgiving that is filled with such a secret gladness. A grateful reflection on the Supreme Cause who produces it sanctifies the soul and gives it its proper value. Such an habitual disposition of mind consecrates every field and wood, turns an ordinary walk into a morning or evening sacrifice, and will improve those transient gleams of joy which naturally brighten up and refresh the soul on such occasions, into an inviolable and perpetual state of bliss and happiness. Addison.